Okay, so hi everyone. This is Sandy from eXp Realty in Honolulu. It's almost end of June here, and I'm again here with Paul Tamashiro from Teachers Federal Credit Union. Hey, Paul.
Hi, how are you today? Good.
I'm good. How are you?
Thanks for having me on again.
How is your week going?
Yeah, so far so good. It's a
Awesome.
very eventful one.
Okay, that's good to know. Okay, so we are here today to talk about a special loan program offered by your company, Teachers Federal Credit Union. Would you like to go ahead and share your screen and maybe talk about?
Okay. Let me do that for you. So we're really excited about this program because we feel that it's going to open a lot of doors for people who do not have the funds to put down, 20%, 10%, 5%, 3%. I mean, for a lot of times people just, they are able to qualify, but they just don't have the means to put any money down. So,
yeah.
Okay, so let me share my screen. This program is basically for people wanting to purchase their primary residence. Okay, it's only available for purchases, not refis.
Okay.
The loan limit in Hawaii, you may purchase a home up to $970,800.
Okay.
That's the maximum loan limit in Hawaii. It's a conventional loan limit. Single family or condo is okay. No condo tells. Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Like we said earlier, 100% financing. So no money down.
Wow.
Okay, and the minimum credit score is 720.
Okay.
The debt to income ratio is 43%.
Okay.
So, and then you're required to have at least 2 months of cash reserves. Let me explain that. Whatever your mortgage payment is with the taxes, insurance, and association fees, you must have at least 2 months worth of those payments in reserve in the bank at the time of closing. At least that's the minimum. Okay, the products for this loan program is you can either get a fixed rate loan or adjustable rate mortgage.
Okay.
So I know you're going to ask me what's the rates for today. Okay, on a fixed rate, you're looking at, for this loan program now, just this loan program, not any other program, is 6.125% and 0 points. It is kind of high, but and then we do also offer an adjustable rate mortgage. So what I've been offering people is a 7-year adjustable rate mortgage. So that rate is at 4.875%, and once again is at 0 points. So you might say, oh, the rates are high and this and that, but I believe in putting people into the lower of the two. Because we feel that in the mortgage industry, we feel that we're going to get into a recession pretty soon.
Yes.
And we think that the interest rates are going to be dropping back down to what level, we don't know, but it's going to be lower than what it is today and tomorrow. So we're thinking either maybe within the next 2 years. We spoke about this previously. So at that time, you can refinance to a lower interest rate at that time. No penalties whatsoever. And by then you should have at least some equity built up in the home, and that's one of the reasons why people buy homes. If you build up equity, a CPA told me once, you cannot save that much equity you build in a home, in your bank, right?
Right.
Okay.
So I guess the good thing about getting into a ARM rate mortgage first is that, like you said, you are settled for the 7 years. The first 7 years, you are at the 4.18%.
4.875.
4.875.
Yeah.
And then while you're in the 7 years, you can refinance if the rates fall lower, correct?
Yes.
Sounds good. Okay. Can you refinance once you're in an ARM to a fixed rate?
Oh, yeah. You can refinance to a fixed rate or another ARM if you want to do that.
Sounds great. Okay.
So you can do that. Okay, another benefit to this program is that, the buyers are able to get a gift. How
Oh,
much? 3%. You're allowed up to a 3% gift.
okay.
The gift must come from a blood relative.
Blood relative.
So, father,
Mhm.
sister, brother, auntie, uncle,
Okay.
grandparents, you can get it, from blood relative.
Mhm.
So that will help you with your closing costs.
Yes.
And then it'll help you with the principal, there's 2 months cash reserves that we went over previously just earlier. And so, it's a good program. I mean, a lot of programs, they won't allow you to get cash reserves because you need to have at least, other programs, you need to have at least 3% of your own funds.
Yes, you do.
So this is a great benefit. The
Yeah.
other thing too, going back to the interest rate, is that if you're an educator, we
Yeah.
are Teachers Federal Credit Union, correct?
Mhm.
So we offer for educators a 0.125% interest rate
Mhm.
reduction in the loan.
Oh.
So if you were to purchase a home today,
Uh-huh.
instead of getting 4.875 on your 7-year ARM, you'll be getting 4.75.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
That's
so that's a
really
great benefit to being an educator.
right.
You
So,
don't have to be a teacher. You can be
okay.
working at a school.
Oh,
You can be the
wow.
custodian. You can be the cafeteria person or
Oh,
staff, as long as you're working, in the education field.
does it matter if it's a private school or a public
It does
school?
not matter.
Does not
No,
matter. Oh, that's
no.
awesome. That's great.
Yeah.
Yeah, teachers need all the help they can get these days.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Great people. So
Yeah.
wonderful.
I mean, if it weren't for teachers, we wouldn't learn anything, correct?
No, you were absolutely right. Yeah, we wouldn't be here. That's true.
Yeah.
Okay. So, are there any other parts to the loan that you want to talk about? Any highlights?
Oh, okay. There's a first-time home buyer class that we do offer at Teachers Federal Credit Union.
Okay.
It's a first-time home buyers educational class.
Okay.
If you take the class, we do offer a $500 closing
Oh,
cost credit at closing. So
okay.
that's another $500 that will be
Okay.
credited to you at closing.
Tell me a little bit more about this course. How long is it? When is it
The
offered?
course is offered each month. I
Okay.
believe it goes for about an hour,
Hour.
and you can sign up to take the class. But the class is offered on the East Coast at 12 o'clock p.m., which is 6 o'clock a.m. in Hawaii. So
Oh,
I'm getting a video recording of the class, so you can
okay.
watch it. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that's a good thing. So
So you don't have to attend anything. You could do it from the privacy of
yeah,
your
you
own
can do
home.
it from your the comfort of your computer or
That's
your
awesome.
phone.
And
Yeah.
how many classes are there in total?
Yeah, there's just one week, one class a month, so you can watch it. I'm getting the
Oh,
video,
that's it.
so as soon as I get the video, you can
Sure.
contact me. I'll send you the video, and it's an honor system. So tell me you
Okay.
watched it, and we'll give you the credit at closing.
That sounds even better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds good. Anything else that you want to add?
I mean, I think we went over everything, but I might have missed something. So if you think I missed something, let's just bring it up and go over. If you have
Sounds
any questions at this time.
okay. Well, I'm going to go ahead and share your information with on the screen here. If you want to get in contact with Paul, I'll put the information above so you will know where to contact him, and you can call him, text him. What's the best way to get a hold of you, Paul?
You can call me on my cell phone.
Okay.
It's 808
Uh-huh.
216
Uh-huh.
1395.
Sounds
Or
good.
you can email me at paul
Uh-huh.
t
Uh-huh.
at teachersfcu.org.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Well, thank you so much for your time, and keep us informed with all your other great loan programs that you have at your office.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you
All
so
right,
much. Have a
thank
great
you.
week. Paul. Thanks a
You
lot.
too. Thank you very much. Hope to
Thanks.
see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.